I'm 40 in my right car. Bitches change, they act like I ain't all this. Get it money, nigga, that my man.
Hi guys, this is Teacher Rossy and we have a new video lesson for all of you to answer the question how to upload badges and emojis in YouTube Studio. And this video is especially made for Ate Wilma Balagsok. So here it is. First thing to do is to prepare your badges and emojis. Make sure that they are all ready before starting this procedure. If you have all the emojis and the stickers, now open your YouTube Studio. After opening this, it will lead you to this page or to this screen. So choose YouTube Studio. Then after that, 3, click monetization. Scroll down, then click monetization, then it will appear the membership. So, click membership. Number 5, scroll down, find your badges and emojis. There it is, your badges and emoji. And number 6, click edit. Click edit. So you have to upload your own. You edit your badges. So select badges and upload or select image. And then after this procedure, you may save and publish. So I am showing you an example of select image. So all you have to do is to upload your own, select image. So it will direct you to the drive or to the folder you wish to get the badge that you want to upload. Okay, so it is important that they are saved. They are saved in your folder. Then after that, you can save and publish. Remember that the size must be 1 by 1. Remember that size so it can successfully uploaded. And number 9, select emoji. Let's proceed with the emoji. Edit. Let us upload or select image. So I have previously uploaded the first stickers. So all you have to do is to upload and select image once again. Go to your folder and then it will direct to your images for this emoji. Okay? So after that, you can safely save and publish. Remember, you have to rename them. Rename them according to the type of image you wish to upload or type of emoji you wish to upload. So it's very easy. It's done. We have the badges, 6 badges, and we have 12 badges and 12 emoji for this part. So remember, we have to double check if it is successfully done. You can proceed to your set premiere or videos, and then you may check if it is successfully uploaded like this. Alright, so good luck, Ate Wilma. Good luck to all of you guys. I hope you learned from this video. Thank you for trusting Teacher Rossy about these details. Subscribe and hit the notification bell for our next video. Bye everyone and stay safe.